Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito pong yung lingkod, si JomarX, and today we'll be reviewing the Jingji SLR version 5. Nice. Okay, this one, I got this from a special deal for my good friend, Madam Kang Moto of Hydro Blasters ML. And because this will be my first Jingji. Because I have far too many youths already, around 40 plus, and uh, Jingji doesn't, let's say, worth it money for me because it's too expensive. It's basically just a over glorified SLR. But this one, it's worth its cost. It is beautiful. First one, quality. Jingji plastic is very different from the other units that I have. The trades are very beautiful. See, yeah, it's very clear. It's very visible. Trades, lots of trades. And the plastic is well made. There's no, what you call this one, imperfections due to printing, which is common issues if you're getting cheap units. The rails have no extra plastic. It's just the it should be. It's wonderful, really, really wonderful. It has somewhat metal parts, charging handle, the butt tube, no, stock tube, of course, the, what do you call this one? The locks, the ambidextrous, fire selector, the bolt cover, and even the metal suppressor type slash loudener. It is a loudener. Um, Lots of trigger also. Oh, it has a metal gearbox, so really nice, and which makes it heavy. So uh, I don't know if it feels balanced because the weight is around this area. So you need something heavier in the back so you can hold it better. But it's fine. It's fine. For the trades, I've shown you already the lots, lots and lots of trades on it. It's really beautiful. Really well made also. Not unlike the usual typical um only printed on top of it. These are engraved. So and well made. You cannot uh you cannot feel any imperfections. Really nice. Typical Jingji. Features. Uh this version that this unit, I mean this set that I got from Hydro Blasters comes with two extended magazines. This one is already much bigger than the usual one. So there's I should start from here. There is an additional capacity around here. This one, so it's more ammo. But the problem is, since the path is far too long, it takes time for the bullets to go up. And again, it's far too long. There will be a wasted line of bullets around this area that won't be able. You cannot use it because uh, for bullets there should be gel balls can be pushed going up. But if it's let's say there's nothing else to push it, it will get stuck. Meaning even if you prime, you just keep going and going, doing nothing. So keep that in mind. For the battery space, it's a typical Jingji, not much. See, it's only this one. This unit for this set comes with a tiny 2200 battery, 2000 milliamperes, but no one will believe this is 2000 milliamperes. Typical Chinese over-reporting the capacity. This kind of cells, the Hongji do not use this. It's well, but then again, capacity is not real, so always use an alarm. During testing, I was able to put the battery up to 4 volts and it is still firing. So this unit is very efficient in terms of battery usage. So there is no reminder that it's already you should stop firing because it's low battery. Do not kill your battery. It's not worth it. Uh, Also in features, it has a bolt latch, release, and so it's nice. Okay. Uh, what else? Because this is basically just a basic Jingji, which is longer. It's more or less it. It looks different. Oh, this is also a very nice, well, flip up sights. See, flip up sights. And actually, it's working. There are adjustments here. There's an adjustment here, and here you can. Oh, this is heavy. Adjust it here. It spins. It's hard. And double type of flip ups. Smaller, the bigger ones. In which you won't be using much in the game because it won't go that far. Weight, it's around 2 kilos or more. It's quite really heavy because lots of metal parts. FPS is around 220 FPS, 220 to 240. Again, this is a Jingji and the hop up, no. The nozzle is the red aluminum one that doesn't have an O-ring. So it has lots and lots of air leaks. I don't know if it's intentional with Jingji or not because I've seen units that comes pre-installed with a nozzle that has an O-ring, like the DS Spectre. I really love that gun. So I don't know if it's intentional to lower the FPS. Oh, this comes with a 265 millimeter barrel, so it's quite long. A little, a little bit too short from the usual M4 unit that comes with a 300 millimeter barrel, but it's okay. Range, it can hit my target. You can see the shorts and on my channel. It can easily hit the 10-meter mark, so no problem that one. Uh, this doesn't have a pre-built hop up like most not lower end units other brands have nowadays. But I already designed the barrel goes up to actually here, and the thread is around here. So the barrel extends from here. That's basically doing nothing. So it firing this one sounds weird because it's doing a loudener type that we usually use in airsoft. So I attach my newly designed uh, barrel attachment hop up. That I mean the hop up that attaches to the typical aluminum barrel. So and doesn't move much. It's friction fit. Although I'm still printing what you call this one, a spacer because the barrel is moving and it's affecting the accuracy. See, oops. Price. This is expensive. It's around 9,000 plus pesos. I think 9,500. I forgot. The link is in the description. There's the Lazada link. If you want a cheaper price, you can directly PM Madam Kamoto of Hydro Blasters MNL. And this also will be available from Louis or Time Purse and Brother Dexter or Dexter's Lab, Dexter's Gel Blaster Shop. So there's lots of sellers. So you can buy from any of those ones. Those three I personally knew. So you can what you call this one? Uh, they're well known and well trusted. So you know you get quality products, and especially if they're issues out of the box. But this is a Jingji. That rarely happens. Knock on wood. Wood. So last but not the least, is it worth it? It's one of the most difficult questions regarding gel blasters. Do you really need a very expensive gel blaster unit that will basically shoot lesser than the other units? Because remember, this one doesn't have much upgrades. This price, 9,000, you can get AR-15 or no, no, an AR-16 or SLR version 3 CQB. I already reviewed those two ones, and at a much lower cost, and you can use the other cost for upgrades. But if you want quality, this is a good unit. It looks nice, it feels nice, it doesn't creaks, it feels solid, it feels heavy, and it's a Jingji. It's a Jingji. It's another bragging factor, so it's up to you if it's worth it or not. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, put it down below in the comment section, in the comment sections, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!